Late one night, Sarah was woken by strange noises coming from the attic. Slow, deliberate scratching. At first, she thought it was just the house settling, but the sound grew louder, more urgent. Her curiosity pushed her to the attic door, where the air was cold and thick with tension. As she opened the door, the scratching stopped. Silence. Heart pounding, she stepped inside, her flashlight trembling in her hand. On the floor, she saw fresh scratches on the wooden beams, shaped like hands. Then a whisper from the corner of the room, "I've been waiting." Sarah froze, realizing she was no longer alone.